It's 40 days to the election day, and a case that could potentially delay the process of ballot paper printing is scheduled to begin in 3 days.
The applicant and all the parties in support of the application to file and serve their written submissions by midday tomorrow, that is 28th of June 2017. The respondent and all the parties in opposition to the application to file and serve their written submissions by midnight on Thursday. The highlighting of submissions is scheduled for Friday, the 30th of June 2017 at 9 a.m.
Ghurair Printing and Publishing.
Ghurair, a respondent in the case, filed an affidavit informing the court that the printer is already running. It reads in part, quote, "It is noteworthy that 80% of the governor election ballots and 25% of the women representatives are completed by the time of swearing this affidavit. The production process for the materials has therefore started in earnest." End of quote. In the interest of justice, however, the case challenging the award of the tender will proceed, but with speed.
Applicants and the respondents will have 45 minutes to highlight. All written submissions to be no more than 20 pages times New Roman font 12 double-spaced.
The NASA coalition, represented by Senator James Orengo, is opposed to the manner in which Ghurair was awarded the tender, insisting that the firm has close ties with President Uhuru Kenyatta. But Jubilee and IEBC want the court to dismiss the case, arguing that NASA has failed to disclose that it was represented in a meeting where IEBC informed parties of the plan to directly procure Ghurair and the reason for the decision. With less than 2 months to the general election, every passing day is critical in the ballot paper printing process. And the sooner this case is resolved, the better for the printing firm that will be settled upon and generally the entire election process. IEBC, on the other hand, has finally released a clean roll of voters that will be used during the election on August 8, in which 88,602 names of deceased voters has been expunged. The cleaned-up register bears 19,611,423 names. This, in comparison with the 2013 register, shows a 36% increase in the number of voters, up from 14,388,781. Sylvia Chebet for The Big Question.